In this example, we will see how to assign Arnold shaders to multiple objects at the same time. Here, each object has its own UVS without UDIMS. MapFlow automatically creates a different shader for each object. First, we adjust the materials. Specular settings remain unchanged. Since this is rubber, I add a light SSS weight. I set SSS to 0.1 with random walk Vi2 mode. I enable Use Metal as SSS mask to prevent metallic parts from receiving subsurface. I also use the base color to tint the SSS. In the advanced settings, I enable Arnold subdivisions with Catmull-Clark Level 2. Now, let's move to batch processing. MapFlow analyzes object and texture names and creates automatic links. It is important that the names match. I open the texture folder and click the button. All previous settings are applied automatically. In Hypershade, all shaders are created at once. In less than a second, MapFlow generates all materials. Connections are correct, masks are applied, and subsurface is respected. All objects are configured. The render works perfectly. In just a few seconds, the entire scene is ready.